everyone. My name is Sameer Lal and I head the Medical Affairs Business Unit at Indegene. About 2 years back, we set up the Medical Affairs Digital Strategy Council, and our vision was to support medical affairs organizational efforts to embrace technology and innovation. We got together industry leaders and helped them evaluate practical applications of modern technology to help increase the effectiveness and efficiency of the organization. With me is Mary Alice Dwyer, the chairperson for this Medical Affairs Digital Strategy Council, and we are very pleased to announce the release of our very first white paper. Mary Alice?
Thanks, Sameer. So never before has customer experience been so important in medical affairs. A wealth of data exists around customer experience and digital transformation, but only a few papers focus on the pharmaceutical industry or specifically medical affairs. We know that industries that have embraced digital transformation as a key driver for improved customer experience are gaining a competitive edge. So our white paper explores why medical affairs must act now to embrace a customer-centric culture and champion the technological changes needed to deliver good customer experience. There are many reasons that put medical affairs on the front line to lead the digital transformation and improve customer experience. The most important driver of this is the core role that medical affairs plays in scientific exchange. This exchange with healthcare providers and other key customers is driven by the healthcare provider's expectation for high-level, non-promotional scientific content and medical affairs' deep-rooted scientific capabilities and expertise in this area. So there are 3 core criteria for delivering good customer experience and interactions in medical affairs. Human-centered design, which is the user experience is intuitive and effortless. Number 2 is individualization, that the digital experience is optimized for each person. And then finally, trust, that the interaction is credible, accurate, and evidence-based. The white paper dives into the key elements of delivering a good customer experience initiative. And this too is broken into 3 sections: to plan and design, to build and deliver, to sustain. So under plan and design, it is important to ensure that you truly understand what the customer wants. Within build and deliver, you need the right governance, the right capabilities, and the infrastructure to support the initiative. And then sustain. You must consider the culture that you are building, and finally, how to measure and how to improve your initiative.
The journey towards digital transformation is not without its challenges. First and foremost is the regulatory environment in which we all operate in. But it is important to note there's some other industries, for example, the financial services one, which also operate in a very, very tough regulatory environment and have done really well on the digital side as well as customer experience. There's also the challenge to balance short-term wins against the long-term vision in which we want to operate. New entrants from the technology industries are constantly challenging the status quo. And it's very, very important for us to break down the internal silos between medical and commercial, between medical and IT, and so on. And finally, it's all about scalability. It's not about pilot projects, quick wins, but it's all about putting something up which will be of truly enterprise value. So from our perspective, there are 3 calls to action. First, change the mindset and put the customer first. Second, champion technological changes that are needed. And finally, challenge and evolve the regulations that doesn't make sense for a customer. Please join Mary Alice and I on a panel discussion that we'll be hosting around the edges of the Digital Summit on September 25th. The panel discussion will focus on customer experience and what does it mean for medical affairs. See you there.